So this is my 1993 Honda Shadow VT 1100. I purchased new handlebars for it, so I decided to remove the right and left controls. I took apart the housing for the turn signal switch, and this is how it looks. Lots of cables, lots of mess, so I wanted to convert that over to a toggle switch. It was a on, off, on toggle switch. As you can see, here's how I did it, and here's me testing it out. The two orange wires go together for the one side, and two blue wires go together on the other side, and there's a gray one that goes right in the middle. As you can see, it works out, and I'm very happy with it. That's the off, and then there's the other one. Good. And here's where I mounted it on the motorcycle, right there. I just gotta make some adjustment to it. I wanna go up for it to go to the right, and I wanna go down to go to the left. But I'm really happy how it all turned out, right there. And that's my starter button right there, which I enjoy having it right there too. And on the other side of the motorcycle, I put the toggle switch on off toggle switch for the high beam, for the headlamp, which I also like how it turned out.